fine. So
Ma'am,
shiny
excuse me, ma'am.
materials means whenever the light falls, it reflects the light. You will able to see
Ma'am,
that
some
type of I can say some kind of little bit light on it whenever it falls.
kind of
Yeah, but this video I cannot see all, only board. Okay. It's okay. I think it's okay now. Yeah, it's okay, ma'am. It has shifted a little bit. Okay, fine. So now, Cheryl, what do you mean by dull materials, Cheryl?
Ma'am, the dull materials are the materials when the light hits on it, it won't reflect light.
It reflects light, but it reflects less. So it may not be bright. Okay. So these are the examples. Those who cannot, those are not written, you can write. What do you mean by dull materials? So dull materials are materials that reflects less light. So if you're not clear, I will write it.
some type of bed sheet is there, right? Which is
Yes.
shiny.
Yeah.
I don't know its name.
Maybe the material may be not the out of cloth. Okay.
Yes,
This is
ma'am,
not
that
made
too.
out of cloth. So that reflect less light are known as dull materials. Okay.
Ma'am, we should write that.
Yes, yes. Next heading. Under that you can write dull materials. Write the heading and write dull material.
Ma'am, can you share the previous slide that show the same point?
Which point there?
Yes, in last class you said there was the last point that we didn't wrote.
Okay. What was the, can you read it? The last point, what you wrote?
I wrote, I didn't finish it. Materials like paper, cardboard.
Yeah, that's what we are talking about. That's these things. Okay, paper, cardboard and all. Okay, paper, cardboard. Before that, what did you write? Read. Before that, what did you write?
Luster. No, materials that are lusters are usually metals.
Okay, metals. Okay. Did you write this words that shiny material reflect light?
Ma'am, I didn't wrote.
Wait, ma'am.
Okay. So before writing dull materials, you can add one more point under shiny materials. Materials. If before you could write this dull material, you can write this point. Materials which reflect light.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, really I was having the network issue, so
Did you write this in the lecture note?
Wait, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Materials which reflect light.
Ma'am, is this the lecture note of dull material?
Lecture note.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you please reflect a lot of light?
Materials which reflect light more. Okay, you can write materials which reflect light more are known as
Ma'am, we wrote other definition.
shiny. So both definition is correct. Okay, this is the feature of the lustrous materials. Okay, this is another one of the feature. So the material which have luster has one more feature. That is what I call it. So both you can write. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Okay,
lustrous material or shiny materials also meaning that it reflect light. Then after that only you write the next point, dull material. Under which you can write materials that reflect less light. So those who wanted to write the extra example, you can write glass, tinsel, CD. Watch what you have seen.
Okay,
For
ma'am.
metals, you can write common, generally only write one metals. Under which all this will come. Gold ring, silver coin, iron kettle, everything.
Ma'am, mirror will come in shiny material. Mirror.
That is why glass. Yeah.
Yes.
So glass, it is come under glass. Correct. Glass means what are the materials we are
Gold.
using glass or a lustrous material. So mirror will,
Diamond.
spectacles
Diamond.
will come. Yeah.
Diamond.
In your diamond will come, and not only that, some of the sequences what we use in our dress. Okay, the girls wear lot of dress with the glittering sequences. Yeah,
Ma'am.
so that also is that also
Steel things.
So steel, iron, gold, silver. You can only
Yes.
generally write metal. No need of writing so many things like that. Metals. So all this gold ring, silver coin, everything will come under metals. So
Yes,
anything which
Bitcoin.
made out of metals are shiny. Shiny metals, materials or lustrous materials.
Ma'am, the glitter.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. After writing this, you can go to dull material, materials that reflect less light, and under which you can write candle, chalk, brick, table, chair, book. You can write any five.
Plastic
Okay.
bottles.
Plastic means some plastics are not dull material, some are dull. Okay.
Ma'am,
Some
plastic
plastics can,
bottles.
yeah, plastic
are dull.
bottles
That-
and will come under next property, not this property. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Here you can write the candle, chalk, brick. Plastic all will come under transparency. So you can write other things. Table, wooden spoon,
Ma'am,
wooden
this
chair.
telescope is shiny or dull material?
Telescope is a dull material, but only the lens which is connected to is shiny.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Some that they have some
So telescope is only that lens, that small lens what we use. That is only shiny. But other part is not shining. Okay. Yeah.
Inside it's a mirror will shine, right?
Mirror alla, we are using lenses. In spectacle and what we
lenses
use
only.
lens, the same lens we are using in the telescope.
So I thought that it was a mirror.
Mirror will have one side is glass, other side is painted. But lenses, like our Gautam also wearing spectacle, the lenses have two sides are transparent, correct? Mirror only one side is transparent. That's why.
Okay, okay.
Okay, fine. Shall we move to the next property?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So next property we are moving on to. Don't write this. This is the same thing what we discussed about luster. Forget about it. That extra knowledge, no need of writing that. Next, number 2. The property number 2 we have got hardness and softness. Hardness and softness. That is the next property. This only you write. Second property, hardness and softness.
should write this.
Yeah.
Which you underline.
Yeah. So you can write, what do you mean by hardness and softness? Some material cannot be compressed. Cannot be compressed. So there is some spelling mistakes when you write compressed. Instead of compressed, no, compressed. Hardness, some material cannot be compressed and scratched easily. Scratched easily.
And you should write
Ah.
only the words which you are underlining with red.
Yes, yes. Some material cannot be compressed and
Ma'am, the eraser is
scratched
sitting-
easily or hard. Okay. And don't want hard. So example, I will give you the next class,
And
next
soft
slide
materials we can scratch easily.
easily. So
But hard-
hardness and, so I will tell you. So first you have to write this much. Okay. Some material cannot be compressed and scratched easily or hard.
Ma'am, only the hardness and softness we should write.
Yeah, only you write hardness and softness. Under this, we have a division is there that we are going to learn. Okay.
1 minute.
Can be compressed. Now, soft materials, you can write because it is given, not given clearly. So you can write soft materials. The materials which can be, which is cannot be. Now soft materials, how do you write the same definition? Instead of this cannot, you can use which can be compressed, and scratched easily. They are known as soft material.
Ma'am, the soft soft materials also will get scratched easily?
Yes,
Hard materials cannot be scratched easily.
yes,
Soft materials can be scratched easily.
Yes, ma'am. Sponge and all we can scratch it. easily.
Not only sponge, even your glass, you just scratch it, you will get a mark over there, correct? Even your thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I have seen it.
Mobile, you scratch it sometimes. Mobile screen, not the cover. Mobile screen, you see. You should not.
so hard? So not.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but it
So,
is hard.
glass materials. So, example for hard material, we are moving on to. Did you write it?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Write up to here. Then I will tell you what is the next you need to write.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of compressed?
Compress means, do you have the, do one thing,
Then-
everyone take your cloth, your t-shirt or whatever it is there. You
Yes,
just
ma'am.
do like this.
Ma'am, what? How?
How, ma'am? We can't see you.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am, we can't see you, ma'am.
Okay, now you see, I have a shawl over there. You just do it like this. This is known as compressed. Okay, you can make into, yeah, press hard. You can tear it out. You can scratch and I can remove this thread on it. Correct? So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
meaning of compressed. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am, can you share the
You-
screen?
Okay, understood. Now, if you take the glass and just don't drop it now. If you drop the glass vessel, what the glass vessel? What will happen to the glass vessel?
It will broke.
It will break. So they are also soft materials. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay. So now you everyone press hard on the table where you are sitting, chair or table, where whatever it is. How do you feel that?
Very hard.
You cannot do.
Yes, ma'am.
Gautam, you just hit it. What do you feel it?
My hand.
Because your body is very soft. You get pain, but the table did not get pain. So,
It's so hard, ma'am.
so this
The
is known
table is
as
hard,
hard
body is soft.
materials.
Can
So
you share the
materials
screen?
which made, you see, you can pinch your flesh and all these things. So that means they are soft materials.
Some food items are soft, right?
Majority all food
Chicken
items
and
are
all.
very soft. Okay, little hard is when you fry, when you
and all.
fry the things, it is going to be hard. Otherwise, it is very
Like,
easy.
ma'am, is chicken and all. Is
Can you share the screen?
Chicken and all, if you fry it, otherwise it is easy to cut. No, the mother will cut so easily. We kill the chicken very easily. Okay. Yeah.
We should
You go to chicken shop so easily they are killing the chicks over
That's
there.
very
Okay.
serious.
Fine. So they are soft. So hard materials are the materials which cannot be compressed. Table, chair, wood material. Majority wood materials are hard materials. Majority glass,
Iron.
cotton cloth. Yeah. Iron.
Ma'am,
All the metallic objects are hard
Hard
materials.
materials. We can break.
Now you can write the example for hard materials.
Dam and all hard material.
So these are the some examples. Yeah. Can you just look it? So these are the some of the hard materials: steel pot, ceramic vase, diamond, hammer, pottery, okay, rock, table.
Some disturbance.
Yeah. Can you mute it? So, because some people sound is too much. So that's why.
Ma'am,
Ceramic vase. When we drop it, it will break.
Ceramic vase, if you break it, if you drop it, it will break. But if you compress it, can you break that?
No, ma'am.
Hard objects are can be compressed, which cannot be compressed or scratched easily. Okay. Glass jar also, some glass jar are very strong. We have soft glass like our spectacle, and if you drop it, it may break. Correct? Your mirror, if you drop it, it may break. Even you can hit on it, it will break. But some of the glass jar, usually, if you press hard, it may not break. Okay. But your wine glass, wine glass, you can break it very easily. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's what-
Wine glass is made out of a very thin glass. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes, ma'am. We can
depending
break.
upon the
and can you show me
thickness.
for slide?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the
Previous
earring
slide.
is, excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, but we can't hit on it.
It's on.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. The earring is hard or soft?
Earring means gold earring.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you talking about? If it is made up of metals, it is hard. Okay. Otherwise,
ma'am.
it may break and all, but compressing is not easy, correct? Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay, ma'am.
But majority all metallic objects are hard objects. All type metallic objects. Okay. Iron, aluminium, copper, all that. Okay. So these are the hard. Write only five,
ma'am.
1 or 2, 3. No need of writing all the examples. Then soft materials, you can write example for soft material. Write examples of material. Socks, towel, cushion, feather, pillow, jelly, plastic, sponge.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My hand became reddish color after punching in my table. My hands.
I did not see. Who are saying something?
Ma'am,
What Angelina you are saying?
ma'am, my table is of wood, and when you told, I just like punched in my table a lot, and my hands became reddish.
So that is the clear thing how much hard it is. Okay, fine. Did you complete now? Okay. So now we are moving. Now you are moving on to under hardness and softness. We also will have smooth materials and rough materials. Okay. So hardness and softness also tell you by touching it. So if you touch the table, you feel that it's very hard. But if you touch your cloth, you feel it is very smooth. So by touching, you can identify hard materials and as well as the soft materials. Correct. If you touch your teddy bear, so soft it is. If you touch a small baby, so soft it is. Correct. So
Ma'am, that's skin.
under hardness and softness, one more property we have, smooth and rough surface. So you can write it. Number A, smooth and rough surface. This is also comes under hardness.
Okay, ma'am. Smooth and rough surface.
Rough surfaces. So under this also you can say whether it's a hard or smooth. Material which can be pressed easily are called soft material, while some other material which cannot be pressed are called hard. Okay. So materials.
Ma'am, this is smooth and rough materials, right? Not hard and soft.
Can't be
Yes.
pressed
So
hard.
we can say smooth materials come under softness and hard rough material will come under hardness. Okay. So you touch some pieces of stone or you touch the rock, how hard
It's
it is,
hard.
correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
If you touch a iron rod or iron knife, how hard it is, correct? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the, by touching you feel some look very rough. Even vegetable, we have a rough vegetable like pineapple. You touch pineapple, it looks very rough, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
because it is
Yes,
fine
ma'am.
and all there. fine,
Like
so very-
corona, it has coronavirus, it has got spikes over it. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, but we
So
can
much-
see it.
Yeah, you can see. So majority vegetables are soft vegetables, but jackfruit, jackfruit, pineapple.
Carrot.
No, jackfruit and pineapple are rough surface, are rough objects. So they are hard objects.
Ma'am,
Yes.
coconut.
Coconut, if you touch it, coconut, okay,
Coconut
fine. Coconut shell, you see.
Yes,
you touch
carrot.
it. Yeah. Carrot, okay. Carrot is not much. Okay. You don't, it's but that's okay. Carrot we can have without cooking also. Okay. Fine.
Yes,
Shall I?
ma'am, sorry.
Okay. So I am going to see one of the examples of rough surface. Did not finish. Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, when carrot is not cooked, it will be little hard, right?
Yes,
But
that,
it's
that
okay.
is,
But still, okay.
ma'am, but
okay,
it
we
is
can
very
have.
hard to eat and all.
Yeah.
So it is hard. Some.
Maybe you are small, you find difficult to eat, no? But I can eat very well. Okay.
Ma'am, my uncle will eat it, ma'am. My uncle will simply
Ah,
Right, like that.
not only
Ma'am,
that, we
don't
all
like
will
carrots.
simply.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
like
like
a-
it without
Angry and
cooking.
they just, with their hands itself, they will break it up.
Yeah,
That back
we
they
can
will make
we
it
can
break.
have it raw as a part of a salad. We can make the salad out of it. It's okay, fine.
Ma'am, for
So
making
mainly,
salad,
okay, fine. These are the some examples for some examples which are having a rough surfaces. Doormat, sandpaper, screw, tire, sieve. Sieve means the thing which we are using to strain the tea.
And
So we have plastic strainer, but here the picture is showing the steel strainer. Okay, that is rough surface. Okay, plastic may not be that much rough surface. Okay, so steel strainer. Mm.
Ma'am, rubber is hard surface or smooth surface?
Rubber, if you touch it, how do you rubber? Polish rubber, okay,
Hard,
but you
ma'am. Hard.
touch the tires. It also made out of rubber, correct?
Ma'am, but
Okay.
it is hard only, ma'am. I have
It
to
is hard. It is hard. Car tire, sandpaper. So example of example of rough surface, you can write doormat, sandpaper, screw. Some of this. Not at over. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, the star.
Demand all soft material, right?
Just,
Slide.
can you just mute it, everyone? Mute it. Lot of sound is coming now. Just mute it now. Just write
Ma'am,
it
the
now.
star. Ma'am, can you show the next slide?
Yes.
Okay. Angela Martin, over. Everyone- Shall I change the slide? Okay, fine. So these are the examples. You can write one or maximum 5. That's enough. Okay, you can write doormat, sandpaper, pineapple, jackfruit, car tire, screw. Okay, iron table, wooden table. You can write smooth surfaces. We have got steel vessels are very smooth. If you touch it, they are very smooth. Materials have very nice
Ma'am,
polish.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
mirror.
this Orbis, right? Orbis. It is hard and soft, right? Because
one?
first it is, ma'am, Orbis one thing.
But
It
we
is
can
hard
compress
first,
it.
Put
then
it
we
into
put
water and it will
it will be
become
soft.
big.
It is hard and
Ma'am,
soft.
it
Let's
will
compress it,
become
ma'am. We can
Orbis.
just do
Fine.
it.
Yeah, okay, fine, children. That's
That is
depending
hard
on the
and-
situations. Now you talk about the real materials which are smooth. Okay. Even this steel and all, if you heat it, you know, you can melt the steel, it will become very soft. So, but by nature, even you see, you touch it, how do you feel it? That is the main important point. Okay. We can get smooth rubber, polished rubber, sometimes light, thin rubber sheets. You see, thin one. You can break it, you can do it, it's nicely polished. But usually, the real rubber sheets are hard. So that's why we have given that points. Okay. So if there is sandpaper means the painters and the workers, they use to clean the
Ma'am, we will scratch it.
windows, scratch it.
hard surface, a hard material.
Which one?
Ma'am,
I can't get you. Yes, Shreya. What are you saying, Shreya?
It's minute.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the definition of hardness and softness, ma'am. You thought you read that some material cannot be compressed and
Compressed.
scratched easily.
Scratched easily.
So
Like
what is meaning of
table.
scratched there? Is that meaning broke or scratching like this?
Scratch means if you take a sponge, you scratch it and take it out. Will it that things will come out? No. So they are soft. That's why. Some of the things, even you scratch it, you cannot take it out of the parts of it. Okay. You cannot take it out of it. So that is hard. Okay. Compressed
ma'am.
is clear. Shreya, compressed is
that's
clear. Yeah. Okay. But table, you scratch it. Can you remove the table by scratching it? No.
ma'am, it is
No,
impossible.
so that's
No,
the
ma'am.
easy. So breaking and
Without
scratching both are different. Breaking means you break it with using some external energy. Got it? Yeah,
Okay,
fine.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Shall we go?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
What doubt?
Ma'am, when we hit on the soil, we will, it is hard. But when we just do like this, it is so soft, right? Ma'am, when we hit on the soil, it is too hard, right? So, but
Soil too hard?
yeah, when we hit it,
No.
No, the
Nothing
ground,
it,
ma'am.
Soil are smallest
Soils are
particles.
hard
Soil,
material.
we have different type of soils. Okay, all the soils are not hard. Maybe you think sand is little hard. Okay, when you stamp on the sand, you feel the roughness. But if you stamp on the muddy, I mean it's a red color soil, then you have got white color soil. Soil it's so soft. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
soil we cannot say it's a hard object. Okay,
Ma'am,
rocks, rocks and stones you can say.
Yes, it is
Rocks,
hard.
stones, it's hard. Okay, fine. Shall we go to?
Ma'am.
Okay, now we are moving on to the
Ma'am,
next category. Next category, strong and weak. Hardness and softness also can identify by looking at how strong it is, how weak it is. Okay, how strong and how weak it is. Clear? So, next point you can write strength and weakness. So, I mean, it's a B. It's a B part. So, first we wrote about smoothness and rough surface. So, here next point, strength and weakness. Under this also we can identify strength and weakness.
Ma'am, these are the two parts of the hardness and softness.
Hardness and softness. So, second, we on the basis of rough surfaces and smooth surfaces, you can say it is hard or softness. Then, on the basis of their strength and weak.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but here what comes under this? Because hardness is a adjective, means it is a hard object. How do you say each object? It a material. Okay, it differs. Say glass is a weak material. What do you understand from this? Because it is easy to break. Here it is the difference between the compression
It is
and
breakable.
scratching and breaking. Now, this strength and weakness we derive in terms of which can be easily broken, which can be easily not broken. So according to that, we are going to divide it. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
materials that are difficult to bring, materials that are difficult to break, they are known as strong materials. So according to the how strong it is, we can say it's very hard material. Okay, table. Yeah, you cannot break it so easily. With your hand, you cannot
This
break it easily.
Strength.
But you can use
Strong.
other external source to break it. So you understand, every material can be broken if you use some external sources. But
Ma'am, some type
nature,
of glass.
yeah, generally in our life situations, which cannot be easily broken. So strong materials that are difficult to break. Here is the difference between scratching and breaking. Okay. So iron, spade, table, chair, we cannot easily break. See the t-shirt. Under smooth surface, you said shirt and all very, very soft. But in terms of strength, they are hard. In terms of strength, they are hard. First category, in terms of surface, we say hard objects and the smooth objects. Now, in terms of breaking, you said it is strong object or weak object. Okay. So, the materials
Okay.
that are difficult to break is come under hard materials only if this feature. Okay, you can see some of things you think it is very easy to. It is a soft material. Now it come under strong materials. So you think about the situation. Either it is breaking or either it is scratching, either it is compressing or either looking at the surface. What is? Okay. So,
is not easy.
Ma'am,
Hello?
someone is asking.
yes,
Ma'am, it's Manu.
balloon. Yeah, balloon is a weak.
No,
material.
ma'am, that is Manu, ma'am. Manu.
Manu.
Manu. Okay,
Manu.
Manu. Sorry. Manu, you say Manu. Sound is sorry.
Ma'am, pineapple is not easily compressed by hands and cannot be scratched, but it is soft, right?
Yes, if you break it, no, if you cut open, it is soft. Yeah, you can eat inside part, correct? Yeah.
Yes.
That's why. That's
It's
why I
soft.
tell you. Depending upon the situations. Okay. So hardness and softness we can determine. In the case of materials by looking at In which case, whether it's a compressing stage or scratching case or it is a breaking case. Okay, so that's it. So and you have to read the question in which basis we are going to ask. Okay. So now see ceramic, plastic ruler, glass, CD, everything is weak. The previous cases you see, okay. Previous cases,
Excuse me,
the cotton, everything came under soft material. But here t-shirt is coming under strong material. So that is depending upon whether which can be easily broken, which cannot be easily broken.
ma'am,
Got
can
it?
I ask you one thing, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, so when the objects which can be scratched or which cannot be scratched comes under smooth and rough objects.
Which repeat once again.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I was asking like if the objects which can scratch and not scratch, no,
Mm.
like that objects will come under smooth and rough.
Yes, it come under smooth
Excuse
and
me,
rough
ma'am.
also. Like jackfruit. Okay, jackfruit cover, outer portion of jackfruit.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Can you scratch it properly?
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
it is
Ma'am,
come
this
under
glass-
rough surface and hard surface.
Ma'am, glass and all right. When we put ink down, it will be broken.
It
right?
will break. So glass was strong before.
Yes.
By looking at that, it was
But the
it
tile
was
is
a hard
stronger
object.
than the glass.
Yeah, but when it is breaking, but tiles, you cannot break it, you cannot scratch it, you cannot do